Welcome. If you're looking to limit your notifications to just in-app alerts for Facebook comments, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable in-app only notifications for Facebook comments on your PC with the latest update. This will stop the push notifications, SMS, and email alerts, so you'll only get notifications when you're actually using the app. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account if you aren't signed in already. Once you're on your home page, we're ready to make some changes to your settings. Now, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on your name to go directly to your Facebook profile. Next, to access your settings, click on the small downward arrow in the top right corner again. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. You'll now be on the Settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. This is where you can manage all of your Facebook notifications. In the Notifications section, you'll see several categories, including comments. Look for the Comments section, where Facebook sends you alerts when someone comments on your posts or replies to your comments. To enable in-app only notifications, you'll need to turn off notifications for push, SMS, and email. Under the Comments section, toggle off the options for push, SMS, and email. This way, you'll only receive notifications within the app itself, keeping your inbox and phone free from comment alerts. And that's it. You've successfully enabled in-app only notifications for Facebook comments. From now on, you'll only get notified when you're actively on Facebook, keeping your notifications simple and streamlined. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your Facebook notifications. Thanks for watching.